Okay guys, you'll have to forgive the quality of this video. I'm just holding my iPhone, basically. It's less than ideal, but I'm still on a work trip, so yeah, it's kind of hard to film anything, but I'm getting frustrated and I wanted to talk about my ideas for this playlist that I'm going to be working on when I get back. I'm thinking of getting a video editor to help me because I really want to make it really, really good and as helpful as possible. What I did was I bought a notebook and I basically just wrote down exactly how I would grow a website organically from 0 traffic to 10,000 traffic in 90 days. I'm pretty confident with that. If you follow this exactly, and I'm thinking of doing this myself in a separate series of videos, I'm pretty confident that you can do this if you follow it exactly. So the idea is basically to help you do everything that you need. So first of all, what is SEO? The second thing will be analysis and choosing a website type. So there are obviously a few different ways to make money online with a website, and my idea is to have a blog, like a niche affiliate. But you can use these practices with any of the other types as well. I'm just probably going to be focusing on a niche affiliate blog. I've got an idea for a website that I'm actually going to make, which I will use to make examples with. And then episode 3 is going to be pre-live technical SEO. That basically means all of the things you need to do before you press launch on your website. So things like setting up Google Analytics, Google Search Console, all that kind of stuff. Number 4 is going to be design and SEO for any website. I think this is one of probably the most important website because I think a lot of people use website builders that will make slow websites, which Google does not like. So yeah, that's going to be really, really important as well. Episode 5 is going to be post live off-page SEO. So that basically means everything you need to do after you press publish on WordPress or whatever you choose to use. You need to set up all your social medias, etc., etc., and I will talk about that in a lot of detail in the playlist. But basically, it's incredibly important to show Google that you have kind of all these trust signals so that you can start ranking and you can beat this Google sandbox. Speaking of beating the Google sandbox, episode 6 is going to be my kind of special, I guess. This is the episode here. The SEO Magic Trick is what it's called. And basically it's a combination of using SEO and viral marketing like TikTok and things like that to completely skip the Google sandbox and just to get things rolling and start earning online pretty much immediately from home, making videos with your phone. It's that simple, guys, honestly. And then episode 7 is going to be writing blog posts that rank, and that will probably be, I would say, the most important episode. The reason for that is because, I feel like I can really give good perspective on how to write a blog post that ranks, basically. Episodes will include case studies and things like that as well, and I'm probably going to give one of my friends a lesson on how to write an SEO blog post that will rank on Google immediately and where to find the keywords and etc., and that will be in episode 7. So the kind of layout is here as well. I don't really know how interesting this will be, but I'll show you it, I guess, and you can pause the video and maybe this will already start to help people. I'm just looking at this now. This is super, super in-depth and I'm really, really looking forward to getting into this. I'll show you the SEO magic trick. Make a long-form YouTube video, use the script and that should say Jasper to create an article. Make an engaging 60-second vertical video for TikTok, release everything at the same time and point everything to your website. What does that say? Interlink new articles from already indexed articles, and that will give you instant traffic on Google, basically, if you do exactly that. Okay, guys, I think I'm going to wrap it up there. I'm really looking forward to working on this, and if anyone has any suggestions, somebody suggested an ebook, so if I just quickly show you, I have kind of written an ebook. It wasn't supposed to be an ebook. It's like a YouTube script it was supposed to be. I could release this as an ebook as well for free on my website. You can download it, and I'll put like the YouTube links in it, I guess, something like that. Just if anyone's got any suggestions what I can do with this, I don't know. I want it to be free, I want it to be open, I just want to help people, because I think a lot of SEOs, they like to make it a lot more complicated than it actually is. It's actually pretty simple, and hopefully I can break it down for people and make it as simple as possible. Thanks for watching, guys. I don't know how this video is going to do in terms of quality, but I will see you really, really soon. I'm coming back to Italy very, very soon. Thanks for sticking with me, and peace out.